guys ready? Right out of the gate, it's rocket. It's actually not bad.
Oh, he caught it.
What?
Stuart almost went down.
Oh.
It's that whole 4-stroke thing.
Yeah. We're back into some of that narrow shit with rocks. I gotta warm back up.
Yeah, no doubt. Already?
So, there are some sections that are tough.
All right. Where are we going here? Fuck, dude. Hey, Bernie. Get. Oh! Right over that tree. Didn't even see it.
That's the line right there. Did you kind of go up that way? Sorry? I'll get it.
Fucking bird!
God damn it.
I was chasing that bird all the way up the hill.
What?
No, I was chasing a grouse all the way up the hill. Yeah.
It's momentum, man.
Oh, down it goes. You good? Shit. Can't even walk up it.
That was wild.
Literally wild.
Here, I'm gonna sit here. You guys go.
So this is a bitch, right?
Yeah.
And then hitting that.
And I gunned it.
And it went.
Like
You did a bend.
60. Yeah.
Damn it. I didn't get it on camera.
No, I know. It's
What is the line?
Look. I'm thinking the line's right here.
Yeah?
That is the line. It's just about, it's getting the right moment. We were thinking going that way. That's how it started. And then he got caught in the yeah. Can't go back to the
Oh, wait. Hold on. Got a tree there. Okay. Oh, shit. It's going to go down. My foot. Hold on.
Okay. So.
You want to walk it up for now?
Walk it up. I don't want to go. I want to keep it out of that room. I don't want to get there. I'm just pulling it back here.
Switch you. So you know this is going to look like a little pebble on GoPro, right? It's going to look flat and it's going to look like a pebble.
Get around it. I got it. Walk it up. Let me know for you.
Yeah.
I got this.
You've already got one, boy. You're good.
You're right, I don't. You guys don't want me bleeding all
I don't even know what to do to help you. Oh. Okay, let's yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Hold on. Okay, go.
You got it?
Yeah.
I think this is not going to be 4-stroke world.
Alright, well, I'm going to send it.
I'm going to stand out of the way. Yeah. Oh, it just takes so much energy just doing something like that. Yeah, it's that. I'm not getting over that. That's going to destroy me.
Maybe you put a rock down there. There's a rock right here you can put.
Down in that?
Yeah, there could be something over the root.
The only thing I'm thinking about is going around it. But then, shit knows where I'm going after that. Nice. Oh! Copycat! Got it. Oh. Perfect. Yeah, that's a little too steep, I think, for the speed you're carrying. I might try to put it right in that crack and we can roll it out. I'm just thinking if I get it there that far, then we can just roll it like we did the other ones. Might be easier than rolling up this thing. Yeah. Perfect. Damn long legs. That could have hurt. That was a big old rock came flying back here.
All about the position right here. It does help his legs, man. He is.
Yeah, he just stepped down where both of us are like, or all of us are.
I'm always.
Yeah. All right. Well, shit. Ah. Yeah, I was trying for the crack.
Okay. Oh. So.
My knee pad stuck. Fuck. I can't walk it. I'm in a bad spot. Neutral? I thought so.
Okay. Ready?
Oh shit! Hold on.
Let's get it. Yeah, there we go.
Now, so that little thing just slows you down so much, and then you're like,
This rock's in exactly the wrong spot.
oh, damn it! Every time.